Overcoming fitness plateaus, strategies and tips. Experiencing a fitness plateau can be frustrating, whether you are an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone simply trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle. A fitness plateau occurs when you hit a standstill in your progress despite maintaining a consistent workout regimen and diet. Understanding why plateaus happen and how to overcome them is crucial for continued progress and motivation. This video will explore the causes of fitness plateaus, strategies to overcome them, and tips for maintaining long-term progress. Understanding fitness plateaus. A fitness plateau is a period where your progress stalls despite consistent effort. This can manifest in various ways, such as a halt in weight loss, muscle gain, strength improvement, or endurance enhancement. Plateaus are common and natural, as the body adapts to the stress imposed by regular exercise, becoming more efficient and requiring less energy to perform the same tasks. Causes of fitness plateaus. Several factors can contribute to fitness plateaus. Understanding these can help you identify and address the specific issues affecting your progress. Adaptation to routine. The body adapts to repeated stress, which means that if you do the same exercises at the same intensity over time, the workout becomes less challenging and effective. Overtraining. While consistent exercise is essential, overtraining can lead to burnout, fatigue, and a decrease in performance. The body needs time to recover and rebuild stronger muscles. Insufficient nutrition. Not consuming enough calories or the right balance of nutrients can impede progress. Proper nutrition is crucial for recovery, muscle growth, and overall energy levels. Lack of sleep and recovery. Sleep and rest are critical for muscle recovery and overall health. Inadequate sleep can affect your body's ability to repair and build muscle. Mental and emotional factors. Stress, lack of motivation, and mental fatigue can impact your performance and willingness to push through tough workouts. Strategies to overcome fitness plateaus. Overcoming a fitness plateau requires a multifaceted approach that addresses exercise variety, recovery, nutrition, and mental well-being. Here are some effective strategies. Change your workout routine. One of the most effective ways to break through a plateau is to change your workout routine. This principle, known as the principle of variation, involves altering the type, intensity, and duration of your exercises to challenge your body in new ways. Vary exercise types. Incorporate different types of exercises into your routine. For example, if you primarily do cardio, add strength training or vice versa. Try new activities like swimming, cycling, or yoga. Increase intensity. Gradually increase the intensity of your workouts by adding weight, increasing resistance, or performing exercises at a higher intensity. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is an effective way to boost intensity. Change frequency and duration. Modify the frequency and duration of your workouts. If you typically work out 3 times a week, try increasing it to 4 or 5 days, or vary the duration of each session. Mix up reps and sets. Change the number of repetitions and sets in your strength training routine. For instance, if you usually do 3 sets of 10 reps, try 4 sets of 8 reps with heavier weights or 2 sets of 15 reps with lighter weights. Focus on progressive overload. Progressive overload is the gradual increase of stress placed on the body during exercise. This principle is key to building strength and muscle mass. To apply progressive overload, you can increase weights. Gradually increase the weights you lift in your strength training sessions. Even small increments can make a difference over time. Add reps and sets. Increase the number of repetitions and sets you perform for each exercise. Reduce rest time. Decrease the rest time between sets to increase the intensity of your workouts. Use advanced techniques. Incorporate advanced strength training techniques like drop sets, supersets, and pyramid sets to challenge your muscles in new ways. Prioritize recovery and rest. Recovery is as important as exercise when it comes to breaking through plateaus. Overtraining without adequate recovery can lead to fatigue and stalled progress. Get adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support muscle recovery and overall health. Schedule rest days. Incorporate rest days into your workout routine to allow your muscles to recover and rebuild. Active recovery. Engage in light activities like walking, stretching, or yoga on rest days to promote blood flow and recovery without straining your muscles. Massage and foam rolling. Use massage therapy or foam rolling to alleviate muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Optimize nutrition. Proper nutrition fuels your workouts and supports recovery. Without adequate nutrition, your body cannot perform at its best or repair itself effectively. Balanced diet. Ensure your diet is balanced with the right proportions of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Protein intake. Consume enough protein to support muscle repair and growth. Aim for a protein-rich meal or snack within 30 minutes to 2 hours after your workout. Hydration. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. Monitor caloric intake. Ensure you are consuming enough calories to support your activity level. Too few calories can hinder performance and recovery, while too many can lead to unwanted weight gain. Mental and emotional strategies. Mental and emotional well-being plays a significant role in overcoming fitness plateaus. Staying motivated and maintaining a positive mindset can help you push through challenging periods. Set realistic goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals to keep yourself motivated and focused. Track progress. Keep a workout journal or use a fitness app to track your progress. Seeing improvements, no matter how small, can boost motivation. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude and remind yourself of the progress you've made. Celebrate small victories and stay committed to your long-term goals. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness and meditation to reduce stress and improve mental focus. These practices can help you stay present during workouts and manage external stressors. Seek support. Engage with a fitness community, whether in person or online, to share experiences, seek advice, and gain motivation from others. Additional tips for breaking through plateaus. In addition to the primary strategies, here are some additional tips to help you overcome fitness plateaus. Cross-training. Cross-training involves incorporating different types of exercise into your routine to work various muscle groups and prevent overuse injuries. For example, if you are a runner, try swimming or cycling to challenge your body in new ways. Periodization. Periodization is a training approach that involves varying your workout intensity and volume over specific periods to optimize performance and recovery. This can include phases of high intensity, moderate intensity, and rest periods to prevent burnout and promote continual progress. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your workouts accordingly. If you feel unusually fatigued or experience pain, it may be a sign that you need more rest or a change in your routine. Hire a personal trainer. A certified personal trainer can provide personalized guidance, create a tailored workout plan, and offer motivation and support. They can help identify areas for improvement and introduce new exercises to keep your routine fresh and challenging. Try new fitness classes. Join new fitness classes or activities to keep your workouts exciting and varied. Classes such as spinning, kickboxing, dance, or Pilates can provide new challenges and help you stay motivated. Real-life examples of overcoming plateaus. Here are some real-life examples of individuals who successfully broke through fitness plateaus. Case Study 1. Sarah's Strength Plateau. Sarah had been weightlifting for a year and noticed that her progress in lifting heavier weights had stalled. She decided to change her routine by incorporating advanced techniques like supersets and drop sets. Additionally, she increased her protein intake and ensured she got enough sleep. Within a few weeks, Sarah started to see improvements in her strength and was able to lift heavier weights again. Case Study 2. John's Weight Loss Plateau. John had lost 30 pounds over 6 months but hit a plateau where he couldn't lose any more weight. He decided to add variety to his workouts by including HIIT and strength training, which he had not been doing before. John also started tracking his caloric intake more meticulously and ensured he was in a slight caloric deficit. These changes helped John break through his weight loss plateau and continue his progress. Case Study 3. Emily's Running Plateau. Emily had been running consistently but found her times weren't improving. She decided to incorporate cross-training into her routine, including cycling and swimming, to build overall endurance and strength. Emily also added interval training to her runs, alternating between high-intensity sprints and slower recovery jogs. These changes helped Emily improve her running times and achieve new personal bests. Experiencing a fitness plateau is a common and natural part of any fitness journey. By understanding the causes of plateaus and implementing strategies such as varying your workout routine, focusing on progressive overload, prioritizing recovery, optimizing nutrition, and maintaining mental and emotional well-being, you can overcome these obstacles and continue to make progress. Remember that consistency, patience, and a positive mindset are key to long-term success. Embrace the challenge of overcoming plateaus as an opportunity to learn more about your body and push your limits. With determination and the right approach, you can break through any fitness plateau and achieve your goals. If you received value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.